Hello friends, myself Niket said. Today I am here to make a big announcement. I have studied a Robotics Automate Academy. All of us know that nowadays technology is growing at a faster rate throughout the world. All industries like manufacturing industries, retail industries, corporate industries, etc. are facing huge competition in the world market. Every industry needs speed and perfection to survive in the market. But we all know that human beings only deserve mistakes. That's why industries are rising in demand for robots. A robot is a mechanism, but to make it perform tasks, we need to write a program. So here I have studied tutorials of programming, and later on I will continue with robotics related topics like database, web services, user interface, etc. Here I assure you, if you follow my Robotics Automate Academy until the end of the course, definitely you will get earning opportunities from various industries around the world, even when you are in the college campus interview before you even graduate or get a degree. So friends, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the continuity of the course, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook. Details are provided at the end of the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my course video. Till then, bye bye. Have an amazing day.